How to fix Chick-fil-A app not working. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app. For that, open your App Store. Now search for the app Chick-fil-A. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you see the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. After you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, open your settings. Scroll down, head towards the option of General. Open this option iPhone Storage. Now from here, find the app Chick-fil. Once you find it, open it. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you still encounter this issue, what you have to do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, long press on the app. Click on the option of Remove app. Click on Delete app. Click on Delete. After you delete the app, open your App Store. Now search for the app Chick-fil. After app appears, install it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Chick-fil-A app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.